Hey, Zig here with Zigzag Tactics and more. This is more today. We got a Bryant plus 90 furnace. Quit working. And we'll fix it. What I did was took out the panel, just pulls off, and then 2 screws here and here, which you can't really see, but pull them out, and then this panel comes off. And then in here, you got, which you can see it without taking the panel off, but you have a diagnostics LED that blinks right here. Ain't blinking now. Oh, right, so this cover's removed. So there's a reset. Now it's doing a self check. Oh, you can't see it. Right there. That's code 2. Actually, that's a 1-1. It's in self-check mode. See that? 1. But the blower motor for the thermal ignition system is running right now. And it'll run the entire self-check. So you just wait for that to go. Watch this blinking code. I get a wheel flash of 1-1 while it's doing self-check. And how you tell is it pauses like that, and then there goes a 1, and then there's another 1-1. So that's code 1. That's actually, I think, 0-1-1. And there's the pause, and then it goes over to the code again. But how you normally would be the slow flashes, you count those, and then it'll pause, and then it'll do quick flashes. There, the blower motor just kicked off. Now it should be done with its self-check. There's the flat, stop, and that's 1, 2, that's 2, and that's 3. See those 3 flashes? So you got, here's the pop, there's 2, and 1, 2, 3. So that's the code 23. Same code we had before, which if you look on the inside of your cover, it'll have the installation guide, and then it has a quick service check sheet over here, which code 23 is I don't know, something blurry here. Maybe that's better. It says pressure switch did not open. Check for obstructed pressure tubing. So that's what we're gonna do. Show you the light up in that joint. Then bring very good camera lighting. I gotta poop again. That's on my video. All right. Look, well, we got. There's a. I don't know if you can see that, but you can see this tube isn't all the way on. It's sitting right here. Very possibly because it's not reading the suction from the motor in there properly. We'll fix that real quick. Just gotta remove that hose clamp and push that tube on there, and then we're back. What we got here is a Bryant plus 90i furnace, which a lot of these Bryants are the same. If you open your top pan, you take the front panel off. If you look in here on the tag, actually, you can read the model number on the tag. It'll be on the top. It's over here somewhere. For some reason my stuff's real blurry. But we're throwing a code 23 down here. The switch here, it resets your. You gotta take. Don't knock it off, will you, Harry? There's 2 screws here to hold this cover on right here. And actually you can read the codes without taking this panel off. And then you could just reset the switch by resetting. Should be a power switch or something, and a few like that somewhere around. But right here, this resets the board. It'll go through a self-test with that LED right there blinks. And it was blinking a code 23. What it does is it'll pause, and then it'll go blink, blink, and that's your first number. Then it'll pause, short another pause, and then it'll blink a little faster in the next group. Count those blinks. They'll give you your code. Codes are listed on the back side of this panel. It goes here. Code 23 is something like a pressure switch, but if you're getting this code, there's a common problem with these, obviously. These little valves set here reads if the burner's on or not, differential pressure. Normally, open switches, test them with an ohm meter, should read open. That's should be OL, or shouldn't read any resistance. And then if the one's closed, this one was closed. What I did was going to replace them for 150 bucks. I would take them off. Water came out of there. I dumped all the water out, tested again. This one tested normally open, so then it was good. Put it back on, it works. So easy fix. Bryant 90i plus.